Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 4th of July. So, as you can see in the title, we're going to make a 4th of July slime. And I haven't made a slime video in quite long. And I haven't been with you guys because I had a lot of stuff going on in my family and stuff. So, and I also went on a summer vacation trip. So that's why I haven't been posting a lot. So today I'm gonna make 4th of July glittery and jiggly slime. I'm gonna make. You can choose whatever glue. You can do white glue or clear glue. I'm gonna do white glue. This is Elmer's school glue, and you can also do glue wall if you would like. So I'm doing. You can put as much glue as you want. That's good enough. And now you want to get something to mix with, and you want to make sure you mix the glue and the water very good together. So you want to mix them together until the water looks like it's all gone. So the glue is going to be absorbing the water. And it should look like this. Okay, now we're going to need blue glitter, red glitter, and then you can also do a different type of blue in it too. This is also like turquoise. Yeah. So I'm gonna add those colors in to your slime. Then add your blue. So these are like the colors of the flag. And now we mix. Whoa. It's gonna look really, really cool once we add the activator. And the more water you put into your slime, the more jiggly it will be. And make sure you don't add a lot of activator. So now, after you mixed all your glitter together, now add your activator, and I recommend a spray bottle full of borax and water, and then you can put it. And if you have settings for off, spray, or stream, And if you have Stream, I recommend that. It'll spread it out even better. Just keep mixing. Add a little bit more. Comment down below what you did for your 4th of July. Did you have parties? Did you go somewhere to see fireworks? Did you do fireworks at your house? Party with some family members? I did fireworks at my cousin's house. What else did I do? I had a party at their house. There was a party at their house too. It was really fun. I got to play like tag and other fun stuff. There was a lot of people I didn't know at the party, but that happens most of the time. Yeah, so comment it down below. Mine's starting to kind of clump together. I'm just gonna twist mine to Stream so I can inject it inside the slime. I'm injecting it. There. Now mix. Okay, now everything is starting to come together. Okay. So excited. And I couldn't make it yesterday on July 4th because we stayed out at our party until 11. So I couldn't really make this video. So I have to make it today because I couldn't make it yesterday. Ooh, it's really sticky. Still not coming together. We're working on it. I'm gonna start going in with my hands. I'm using this tray because I have like towels everywhere on the table, so because I keep getting bored, like stuff all over the table if I put towels. And I'm using this so this stuff doesn't get stuck to towels, so This is why I have this on here. It's coming! Yay! This is my slime. And it's done. You can add other add-ins too. You can make this also make this a butter slime with adding white clay. You can make this also a fluffy slime. And what else can you make this into? Oh, you can also put like stars in it, like some blue and white stars, or just some regular stars, like some maybe gold stars would work. But I don't have that stuff. This kind of feels like a fluffy slime. My neck hurts. Yeah, so this is how you make 4th of July slime. It's really easy to make. Not too hard. It's you have to make some decisions. Because you can make some different add-ins. Stuff. And also some slime tips for like if you want to fix your slime. Like you can put it in like the microwave to like melt it. Or you can put like some lotion. That's why I always have some lotion with me. So I can sometimes put it in my slime. I think this is a good consistency. Also, like when everything's like sitting out. That's like hair shaking. That's it for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, and that's it. Hope you guys like this video. Bye!